Welcome back. Compound interest. If the interest is added to the principal at regular intervals without being paid to the lender or depositor, then the principal grows as the interest is added. This is called compound interest. Most transactions in banks and other financial institutions operate on compound interest, whereas in the case of simple interest, the interest is constant throughout the transaction. Hence, cooperative societies, àjọ, èsúsú, all those one operates on simple interest. Simple interest favors the customers, while compound interest favors the financial institutions. In calculating the compound interest, the principal at the beginning of each year must be found. If the interest to be paid in the first year plus the principal forms the new principal for the next year, thus the principal continues to increase as well as the interest. Mathematically, CI is equal to A minus P, where A is amount and P is principal. But A is equal to P brackets 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power of n. Therefore, CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power of n minus P, where n is number of year, that is time, R is rates, and P is principal. Example 1. Find the compound interest on 400 naira for 2 years at 8% per annum. Solution. Hints. Compound interest can be calculated in 2 ways. 1. Without the use of formula, that is, the use of simple interest calculated for each year is vital here. Let us study the preceding example carefully. 2. Use of formula method as stated earlier. Now, let us first solve the question without the use of formula. Given P is equal to 400 naira, R is equal to 8%, and T is equal to 2 years. Applying I is equal to PRT over 100. First year interest I1 is equal to 400 times 8 times 1 over 100, which is equal to 4 times 8 times 1, which is equal to 32 naira. Please note, the use of time is 1 year and not 2 years. Amount for first year is equal to 400 naira plus 32 naira. New principal is equal to 432 naira. Second year interest I2 is equal to 432 times 8 times 1 over 100, which is equal to 3,456 over 100, which is equal to 34 naira 56 kobo. Amount for second year is equal to 432 naira plus 34 naira 56 kobo. Last principal is equal to 466 naira 56 kobo. Therefore, compound interest is equal to 466 naira 56 kobo minus 400 naira, which is equal to 66 naira 56 kobo. Meet you after the timeout.